Hello, we're here working with our inventory control system. This is Barcodery. This is what we use to manage our inventory. You will be receiving inventory control cards that will help you to input that information for us. Up here at the top corner, here in the right, you'll see the sign in. It's right next to the green sign up button. Sign in. This pop-up box will appear. You put in your username and password that we sent to you. Put that in. You're going to be brought to the dashboard. You will be using the dashboard to get to the items. Items is where you will spend 99.9% of your time. Click on items, and what it does is it brings up the entire list of items that our company has in inventory. This is not an exhaustive list. You're not able to delete or really manage these in any way. You're able to add, and for that we are extremely grateful. You're going to click Add an Item. You're going to get a pop-up box that's going to pretty much mirror our inventory control cards. Pretty much write down the name, the description, the purchase location, the model, the serial number, etc. Now, the one thing up here at the top where we have it checked, new, damaged, location change, donated, or sold, those can be found down here at the bottom. There are three options here. Categories is going to be where is it located, and then the tag is going to be is it damaged, donated, location change, new, or sold. So you would just click the appropriate one, and what it'll do is it will put a little check mark there. Then you go back up to the next, put a little check mark there. Now, if you find that when you are scrolling through and you're like, I don't know where this goes, it's kind of confusing, you are able to create a new. So you go over here and you would type in, if we put in A20, actually let's put in A or B208, okay? And you're going to save that. Now, what that's going to do is it saved it under vehicle van. And so we're going to go down here and we're going to actually unclick that. Sometimes it does that. It will add another one. I did not click add, so it didn't completely add that. Sorry about that. That category. So let's do that again. I'm going to click create new. I'm going to do B08, and I'm going to click save. Okay, so now I should have a B208 right there. These are rooms in an office building we own, so it'll make sense when you start seeing the cards. So once all of your information's in here entered and complete, you can click save. Now sometimes you'll get one that's not filled out. There's not a good description. There's not really not enough information, it doesn't seem like, but we need that information anyway. And just go ahead and down here at the bottom, make sure that you have clicked location change. Remember that's under the tags, and you mark that it is a location change. We can run reports so we know everything will come out in order the way we need it to. But we need that information specifically saved. So that is pretty much how we're going to do it. It's pretty straightforward. You could click save, all right, and then it'll come back up here in the item listing. Any of these other options here, the locations, categories, those are things that you really don't need to worry about. Like I said, worry mostly about the items here. If you need to edit an item, if you've entered something incorrectly, you could edit it here, but I would just assume that most of the time you're just going to be adding the item. Just check your work before you save it so that you're sure that the information is correct. If you have questions, don't hesitate to email. We're happy to help. We thank you for your help with us in this project. Thanks.